Hello guys, what's up? So I'm back again for another tutorial video. So in this video, I will gonna show you how to download Webull on your PC or laptop, so if you are interested then keep on watching. But before all that, if you are new to my channel consider to like and subscribe for more videos like this, and also, you can comment down below if you have something that you want me to make a tutorial about. So without further ado, let's start the tutorial. So to download Webull on your PC or laptop, it's actually pretty easy, just follow what I'm gonna do. So for the first step, I want you to open your Google Chrome or any web browser on your device. And once you're on your web browser, next, I want you to search for Webull Desktop. And after searching, you will then be able to see this website, which is where you can download the Webull app, so just go and click it. And after that, you will now be on the website. So to download Webull app on this website, it's so simple, since if you will take a look right here, you will now be able to see the download buttons for the app, so just select depending on the device you are using. In my case, I am using a Windows laptop, so this is what I will select. And after selecting, the downloading process will now start, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, you can now click the file to start installing the app. And after that, your system will then show you the location where your Webull's files will be saved. If you want to change it, just click Browse, but if you are already fine with the location, just click Next to proceed. And then right here, you can choose if you want to create a desktop shortcut for your Webull app just like the apps right here. If you want to, then just check this box. And then click Next again to proceed. And finally, you can now click the Install button to start installing the app. And after that, your Webull will now start installing, just wait for it to finish. And once it's finished, it's done. Congratulations, your Webull app will now be installed, so you can now start using it. And so that's just how you do it, guys. Now that you've watched this video, you can now do it yourself. So that concludes our tutorial video for today. I hope it helped you. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.